Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today we're going to take a closer look to my second favorite sunnies from Louis Vuitton, and it's called the Boum canvas sunglasses. So we're going to unbox these beautiful sunglasses. With this modern cat-eye frame sunglasses feature iconic stud detailing over the top bar, and the LV signature monogram canvas and gold metal come together to perfectly adorn the top bar and temples. It has LV logo on the upper right side of the frame, and rubber end tips embellished with LV circle. And there's code and size inside, and Louis Vuitton here. It is in size E. In choosing size, there's size E or Eastern frame, also referred to as Asian frame, designed for those with narrow bridge noses like me. I used to have problems in choosing the right frame, but so far my two sunnies from LV fits perfect to my nose bridge and face shape. On the other hand, W means Western frame for those with high bridge noses. I love LV sunglasses. It's not just fashionable, it provides me comfort while driving or simply under the sun. Its sun lens filter categories too. It gives me high protection against sun glare and the brightness of the snow. It's more pricey, but you can't go wrong with the quality. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. Thanks!